Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here, and guess what? I am in my son's and his fiance's new house. They have been in their house approximately a month, a little over a month, 5 weeks, and we're starting to decorate the house. Now his fiance Natalie, even before you hear me, we moved in, she had the idea of doing what you see behind me, all right? Pinterest inspired wall clock. Now, we've just completed this, so I'm just gonna show you what we've done or how we put it together. But this is still not finished yet because we actually have to add the family photos in it. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. So, watch us put this wall together. So, the items that you will need if you wanted to do this project are a clock kit, a wall decal kit. Both of these we found at Hobby Lobby. The next few items, the picture frames, 11 by 14, we used two 5 by 7 picture frames, and 8 4 by 6 picture frames we picked up from the Dollar Tree. You will also need nails and a hem. Now, as you can see here, we have found the center point of the wall, and we're placing the decal up on the wall. And right here, I'm taking the backing off of the decal. And placing it on the wall. You see my helper here, or my helpers, my husband and my oldest son. My oldest son served as the ladder because he's about 6'3", 6'4", okay? And right here, it's a little card that comes in the kit, size of a credit card, and it transfers the decal to the wall. Here, right here, my husband is putting the clock mechanism together. And here they are placing or hanging the clock mechanism on the wall. Here I am going in with the second decal, making sure it's leveled or straight. And my son Darian, he's taking that card there and transferring the decal to the wall. And here I am with the third decal. Placing the third decal on the wall, making sure it is straight and leveled. Here's Darian once again. He was doing the work, transferring the decals to the wall. And then you just pull that front portion of that decal away and it transfers. And we've already done that. And now we're taking the time to hang the pictures, starting with the 12 and the 6. We used 11 by 14s there. And then the 5 by 7s we used at 3 and 9. And then the other numbers we use the 8 4x6 frames. Again, all frames were found at the Dollar Tree. Here's my son and Natalie here. We even got her in on it since it was her idea. She told me she really don't like to decorate or can't decorate, but I'm gonna make a decorator out of her. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not done so yet, push that button there that says subscribe. Subscribe to Diva Designing on the Dime with Kimberly Davis. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye, guys.